Guys, we're doing a bit of barbecue chicken today. So I've got some chicken, thigh, skinless boneless. I've got some herby spice mixes that I've just milled. So we've got this one. Try and get the focus on. Yep, a bit of pepper, mixed pepper is always cool. And a bit of this one. And Greek yogurt. Got the Leon olive oil, extra virgin. I'm going to put a little bit of chopped up onion, garlic and lemon juice. I'm going to put all them in here. Bit of yogurt, not too much. Neat on. Put it in the fridge. You can join me later when I get it on the barbecue. Okay then, guys. So I've done my chicken. That's on one side now, and we've got this lovely pork. So the little belly pork strips. So I've made the marinade, beef herbs and stuff. Bit of onions. Going to be a bit of olive oil. No lemon juice. Good amount of salt. The olive oil will transfer it onto the meat, and I'm going to marinate that for a bit longer. So hopefully they'll come out a little bit like bacon belly porky things. We'll see. I'll probably do them tomorrow. So I'm going to get that rubbed in. Now I haven't got any sort of plastic or anything to cover stuff. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to try and cut the lid really carefully. Remove the piece of paper at the bottom. And put them back in the same tray. Put that back over, and this should be okay overnight. But you know, actually simple, and there's nothing to wash. So using the packaging they came in. Good day, guys. So we're barbecuing some chicken in Lefkada. This is the Landsman. An amazing bit of kit. The Rexon. Not cheap though. So we're barbecuing chicken thigh. On the bottom, I've just given a bit of time on the top. Giving a bit of stuff on the bottom. We're looking out. It's quite incredible. Look, you probably caught that one. There's loads of lightning, so it's amazingly cool out here. So we're not in the rain, but we're barbecuing on the edge. Oh, look at that! We're on the edge here, but this chicken's going to be incredible. So I'm just searing it a bit. I've turned it up a bit. I'm going to move it up to the top, turn it down just to finish off. But we're just searing off, marinated in some spices, bit of salt, all sorts of stuff. Oh, it's looking good. But I'm going to turn it down, put it on the top, just let it finish off because it's chicken thigh. It's looking good though. But yeah, the sky tonight is incredible. A little bit of thunder again, a little bit of lightning. No rain though. It's incredible. It's not raining. It's just incredibly active. That's the power of physics. Hey guys, so we're back at the barbecue. It's nice and hot. We're there at 2:30. Got some pitters, some peppers, got some sausage, some belly pork. We're going to get that on for a bit of lunch. So join me when I've got it on the barbecue. So there we go, guys. It's on a. Turn it down to low. Put it on a diagonal. Lots of space. Turn it over its belly, so we're going to do a bit slow, and I've just dropped my sausage on top, and that's going to obviously cook at a different rate, so we just kind of sear it on the bottom a little bit, and we'll flip it over in a minute. Okay, so I've moved the pork down the front now, starting to take on a bit of colour. Sausage on the top, I've got the peppers now on. You can see there's a little bit of flare up at the back there, so the idea is by moving everything to the front, we'll stop that flare and it will burn that off. And then we'll move everything around again, drop the temperature down. Obviously that's dropped off because I had the lid open, but we're going right down on the temperature. But it's good. This is a great little barbecue, this Landsman. Look at the view. That's what I call a view for your barbecue. Looking out over the pool, looking out over the town down the bottom there. Just imagine what it'd be like to be on this hill all that time ago, a couple of thousand years when that town was still there. You know, even further behind when the Romans conquered and came here as well. But it's shaping up nicely, this barbecue. Let's have a little look. Oh yeah, and the flare up's gone now. Looking good, and we'll move these around again, turn the sausages over. Okay then guys, so we're pretty much there. Just finishing my pita breads off. So, a minute to each side, all the meat's done. It's better up here because it's resting off a little bit. So it's nicely charred but not burnt. My peppers have got a bit of juice. The sausages are done, so I'm going to plate it all up and then enjoy my barbecue. Thanks for watching. Okay then guys, so I've got my meat, peppers, my pittas, done a little salad with feta, balsamic, fig balsamic actually, olive oil, a little bit of onion and tomato with lemon juice and olive oil. So there you go. So quick little barbecue lunch, Lefkada.